first off, I want to say never, ever, ever mess with your registry unless you're extremely comfortable with rebuilding your machine from scratch. The registry, just kind of give you some background, it is what Windows goes to when it wants to learn how to interpret, well, pretty much anything. So, for instance, if you open up a video file and it uses Windows Media Player, how does it know to use Windows Media Player? Well, it associates the file extension .avi or .wmv with Windows Media Player program to open it. That association is actually inside the registry. You, as an end user, will not really see the registry that much. There are a couple of very easy registry fixers out there. Why would you need one of these? Well, if your machine has been hijacked or has spyware or any other type of malware like a virus or a Trojan horse, chances are it has messed with the registry in some way, form, or fashion. There's a free tool called HijackThis that will scan your entire registry and highlight a lot of things that it thinks are pretty hinky. So if you take a look at HijackThis, it will kind of list out everything that's on there, that's in your computer in the registry, and that flags it. And then you can go through it and then tell it, okay, this is right, this is wrong, this is right, this is wrong. Keep in mind the registry is very much the focal point of Windows, of its daily workings. So if you remove something that is necessary for a particular program to work, generally there's no way for it to come back unless you reinstall the program. And for things like Internet Explorer, things that are embedded in the Windows, you'll have to really know what you're doing to reinstall those things. So I advise against messing with the registry directly and using a program like HijackThis or even AdAware from Lavasoft that interprets the registry for you. It makes it even actually very pretty and easy for you to check off things that you know are not right.